Hello, this is Bari. Welcome to this video. I'm very excited to have you here because in this video, I'm going to share a website that has around 600,000 monthly visitors and they pay beginners, people with no experience, completely beginner for using them. And they start paying since the day you sign up. So you get paid for signing up with them. And there are two different ways to make money with this website. One is a small way to make money, one is a big way to make money. So you can make a little money and you can make a lot of money. Now, currently, I have no idea which level of income or which level of business you are in your business at the moment. So I don't know what is small money for you, what is big money for you. Back when I started, $10 a day online was big. Then I wasn't happy, so $25 a day, then $50 a day, then $100 a day. Soon I wasn't happy, and then I pushed harder. I started making $500 a day, then $1,000 a day. And now there is a situation that even $5,000 a day doesn't seem to be enough. So I have no idea where you are at in your business, but let me explain what do I mean by big money. This website has already paid over $4 million to their users, according to them. And they have a system in place that if they want, they really can keep on going for long time. And they pay you unlimited amount of money in the big money system. Okay. In the small money system, there is a little limitation. In a moment, I will share how this website works, how you're going to make a little amount of money and a lot of money. And my software, by the way, completely free for my viewers. Links are in the description. They will help you get there, means get to the big money. So now let us begin. But before we begin, please hit the like button, subscribe, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you tell YouTube that this is a good video and they should show this to other viewers. Other viewers will get help, you get help, we get views, and you will get notified when we will upload our next video. So we are at superpay.me website. This is a super awesome website. They pay you starting from the time you sign up with them. And they pay you small money and they pay you big money. Big money is literally unlimited. Stick to the end of the video as I will share how to easily make big money. And the best of the best part, this big money is really passive. Well, you don't really work. So first look at the menu options, and I highly recommend you check the FAQ, how it works, make money online sections, check the complete landing page so you clearly know what they're talking about and how they pay you, what you need to do, whether there are any limitations or not. So they have paid over $4.5 million so far to their members, and they have high rating on Trustpilot. So this is pretty cool. So the first payment within 24 hours, low cash out threshold, work from home, promo codes, cash contests, free paid service and offers, and 20 cents join bonus just for joining, and generous referral program. And they pay you through PayPal, Tango, Amazon, gift card, Skrill, and Bitcoin. Yes! Make it a habit of looking at everything on the landing page, because there can be fine prints, there can be hidden points, there can be limitations. You don't want to be the person who spend a lot of time on them, and when you are ready to withdraw your money, you come to know that there are some limitation where you live, or some other limitation that you didn't know about at the beginning because you failed to read their policies, their landing page. So don't be that person. Read everything on the landing page, especially the FAQ, the help tutorial, everything before you start. This is a very good website, very reliable, and they have over 600,000 monthly visitors. Using them should be a good thing to start making money or even to make big money, but you should look at what they're talking about, every single thing. How much can I earn? In this section, they mentioned members can earn up to $50 per day taking surveys for cash. Some online surveys can pay as much as $10 per survey. Now comes to the payment proof section. They're showing how much they made, how much they sent out to their users, through which method. These are all frequently asked questions. Please go through all of them to clearly understand how they work. Completely free to join. You have to register using this form. All you have to do use your first name and your last name and your address, and you have to check all these check boxes. Make sure you check this reCAPTCHA checkbox to ensure that you're not a robot, and then confirm. Then they will send you an email, follow the instruction and confirm your email address, and then you are in. You start using this website and start making money. Another great part of this website that you can cash out as soon as your balance is over $1. You can make money from paid surveys. All these survey options can make you money. They are very simple. Most of the time, they are simply click, click, and click. Another way to make money is offer walls. There are so many options. Yes, you can make money from offer walls as well. And finally, there is referrals. This is the most exciting part, and I will share more about referrals, how you can make $1,000 to $5,000 a day super easy using referrals. There are contests that you can join, and you can get your rewards from this section. Now let me show you how wall ads work. This is a wall ad, and you simply go through their instructions, and if they ask you to click, you click the button, and they are redirecting to another website. If you're not redirected, click there. And once I finished it in a few seconds, now my cash balance is 75 cents. This is super awesome. So many other options to make money using this website. Go use them and make money. But now I will tell you how to make a lot of money from this website, 100% passive. Now the big money part. So if you use this website as a user, yes, you spend your time and you make money. But here is how the big players work, and they make money, big money, passively without spending their own time. So let's look at their analytics. We see around 590,000 monthly visitors. Super awesome. It's super big, right? Now let's go deeper into their traffic sources. You see, they have 55% direct traffic. These people already know about them. And here is the big thing, 27% referral traffic. Look at this. These are the referring websites. So why do they refer traffic to this website? Because for every referral, the traffic, the people who are signing up with this website are making 20 cents immediately. And when they use this website and make money, all these referrers make 25% of their earning. This is huge. Let's say one website sent 100 active users, and those active users make $100 per day. So for one user, active user, this website makes $25 a day times 100 total users, $2,500 passive income for the referrers. And that is why these big players send a lot of traffic. 27% traffic come from referral, because referrers are making money. And the best of the best part is that this website didn't put any limit on how much money you can make on referral. So literally, it's an unlimited opportunity. But for that, you need one thing. And that one thing is the biggest problem for almost all the internet marketers, but my software solves that problem. The problem is traffic. If you have traffic, you have everything. You know that already. Getting traffic is hard. You know that already. But it's not hard as long as there is YouTube, there is Facebook, there is social media websites. So I will tell you about YouTube because we use YouTube a lot. We depend on YouTube, and that's why we make a lot of videos. I will put a link somewhere up there to my another video that shows you how you can get traffic, literally millions of viewers to your videos without ever creating your own video. That video is pretty thorough and complete. Link will be in the description as well. But how do you make any kind of video, whether it's your own video or somebody else's video? Or maybe you want to make your own video, but you don't want to be in front of the camera, which makes total sense. Who wants to be in front of the camera? We are crazy, so we like to do it. But in any case, jokes apart, my software, link in the description, will help you make your videos without you ever be in front of the camera. So what do? Just use my software. It's 100% free. All you have to do is to import media from anywhere on the planet. The software does everything for you. It imports media files from any URL, royalty-free websites and from your hard drive. It even speaks for you. It gives you voiceover in case you don't like your own voiceover. In case you want your own voiceover, you can record it on the application directly, or you can upload a recorded file. And the best of the best part, it has AI, artificial intelligence technology, that writes the script for you, so you don't have to write script. So you literally have everything required. Now, by the way, shooting long videos is boring and it's not easy. And that is why we made this application in a way that you can make small segments, and then with one push of a button, all the segments are compiled to one video. Then another push of a button, you can upload it to YouTube and start getting traffic. Super simple. Go get my software and use it for free. So now the traffic problem is solved. We literally so far we were able to drive 13,000 views in last 28 days. And people are getting millions of views, and we are also getting there, and you will also get there if you start shooting your own videos today. So when you have traffic, put all the traffic to your referral link. Put all the traffic to your opt-in page. In case you don't have an opt-in page and you are bored, use my software that will eliminate all the problems of building list. Then drive all your traffic and ask them to sign up using your referral link. And the best of the best selling point to this traffic is they don't have to buy anything. Instead, they are getting paid 20 cents the moment they sign up. So it's super easy. And that is how all these websites are making money, and you can make it too. Go do it, use it, and make all the money you want. Super simple. Use my softwares for free, watch my other videos, hit the like button, subscribe, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you'll get notified when we will upload our next video about how you can make money faster and easier using our premium softwares 100% free. And that is it. Go ahead, we will see you in the next video.